to have a meet. This is a space, and the office is a public office. It receives everybody.
Yes.
Receives everybody.
No, sir, you're not.
Whoever makes an appointment comes.
You're not supposed to have a meeting here,
No,
sir.
well, but who's
But
supposed to give? For what reason?
for what reason?
What is the reason? Why can they have a meeting in my office with anybody who comes to me?
Sir, that one I think you know our security.
No, it has nothing to do with the security. People come here and they want to share something, they come and share. They are free.
You know, sir,
Yes.
we, as a police, I think you need to inform us when someone is coming. And
No,
visit.
I'm not a politician. I'm a religious person, and so I have nothing to do with politics. I have everything to do with the religious life. And every human being who makes an appointment to come and see me, they have the right. The door is open. The government, those who are not in government, everybody, Catholic, non-Catholic, everybody has the right to come and see me.
So I think, sir,
Yes.
for now, I think you can hear me. Sorry, I haven't introduced myself.
Yeah.
Yes. That's why I'm saying that you are not supposed to have a meeting, because it seems like you have a meeting here.
We are, no, the meeting is that people share what they have. We talk. Brothers, sisters, we talk. If that is a meeting, I don't know. If that's what it means, I don't know. But what kind of a meeting? What we're having is a social meeting, is an interaction with those who know me, who wanted to come and get a score. So I have to come to the police and say somebody will come to get a score. Is that how it is? In a democracy, democratic country, in not just a democratic country, but a Catholic, a Christian nation. Christian nation, like ours.
Sir, he is a public figure, I think you know, and we need to have security, you know. Those
Yeah,
are the
okay.
things which we are not prepared to have that as here in Kasanda.
Okay.
So when you have that thing, I think you need to have a public. When you have a public person, you need to have security and be prepared.
But I thought that Zambia is a very peaceful nation. That's what we
No,
say.
it's a peaceful nation.
Ah,
We know that,
yeah.
but you are not allowed to meet him here because he's going to Copper Belt. That is the way where he is going, but he was not supposed to pass through here to Kabwe and stop here to have a meeting.
I don't know what you mean. Because I mean, as a free being, can't you stop anywhere you want?
Sir, I think on that one, sir, I've told you to say that he is not supposed to stop.
No, sir. What I'm saying is that as a free being, as a free being, a free human being, a free citizen of the nation. Do you have one station who can say, okay, you can only stop here or there? A free being. I'm surprised. I'm very surprised because in my case I stop wherever I want. There's no problem. I stop wherever I want. Unless I'm bringing troubles, okay, that's a different thing.
I think for that one, sir, that is being in charge of security within Kasanda. I think I'm not allowed to allow you to have this meeting here.
But I mean, that is you. That is you. I would understand you say, no, you are not allowed to have a meeting at Kasanda. But what I'm saying is that this is a free space where the bishop is. The bishop's office is an office for everybody. It's just a matter of making an appointment. Okay, bishop, I would like to come on visit you at this time. Okay, if you have a space, I'll say, come and we sit and we talk. You share whatever you have. You want to laugh, you laugh. It's good. And we talk. That's how it goes. In my case, for this office, that's why when you look around, you're not going to find the head of a politician. No, because it's free space. That's how it is. It's for everybody. Whoever makes an appointment, whether whether you are a Catholic, you are not a Catholic, there's no trouble. Whether you are PF, you are, you need, UPND, it doesn't matter. This office is a free office for everybody, every citizen. But what you are saying, I mean, that's a different thing. Maybe you can say, okay, according to the government, we don't allow. Okay.
It's not the government.
But even these ones that have been in the government, they know.
It's not the government which has told me. Because me, I'm under Kasanda and I'm in charge of the security of Kasanda place. Yes. When there will be another thing, I will be answerable to that. Maybe if people start fighting outside there, I'll be answerable to that. So, being that to see that security is not prepared to have this as Kasanda police, I think we are not allowed. Yes.
But don't you want to fight?
No, it's not fighting. Me, I can't fight with anyone, sir.
No fights. Who's brought fights here?
No, we are not saying that. I'm saying if people start doing that outside there.
Which people?
People have seen you, sir.
Why don't you go and talk to them to stop that fight? Because they're not allowed to fight. That's your job, to stop them from fighting, not to stop me from seeing my bishop. Your job is to stop lawbreakers or people who are planning to break the law. Not to stop me from enjoying my right to move around freely, or to meet my bishop, or just pay courtesy call on him. That's not your job. Your job is to protect me, protect him, so that we can meet freely, talk, and then I go my way.
Yes, sir. When you were coming from Lusaka, you didn't inform us to say that.
Do I have to inform you?
Do
I have to inform you? No. Do I have to inform you?
I'm surprised.
Also, please note that let's respect our constitution.
Do I have to inform you? Do I have to inform you, sir?
One officer.
Let's respect our constitution.
Zambia. And you know that Zambia is a...
And this is the church, and we're a Christian nation.
What
And
constitutes-
look,
what
the
constitutes
church,
public gathering?
or maybe,
Have you
or
seen 50
maybe,
people here? You have started the public
or maybe
gathering.
we have changed the laws, which in
Have you
Parliament it
seen
doesn't
more than
come.
50 people here? This is a cater school in an office. Does the bishop has the time to the right to invite anybody and then notify you? Do you own this place? I'm asking you, do you own the church?
The reason why you are not even comfortable as you speak to us.
So you want me to be comfortable?
No,
Sit down.
listen.
Sit down.
No, I'm not allowed to sit
The
down.
reason why
He's the member of Parliament. Respect him also. He's your.
I
He's
know.
also a government worker like you. So let's
I know
respect
it.
each
I know,
other.
I-
And all of us we are preview to the
Because you're
constitution.
not following the law.
And
You are
he,
even shivering as you speak to
yes,
us.
and
Do
her,
what is right.
she was also asked to take oath
No.
Madam,
to
I'm
protect
sorry.
the constitution of Zambia.
You are not allowed to sit here.
We are not allowed. Is this
Yes.
your place?
No, but officer,
Sir,
officer.
this is under Kasanda Police. And under Kasanda Police, I'm in charge of security.
But is there any violence here to
Is
say
there violence?
there's violence?
Sir?
Then what's
When-
the
Or maybe there's any clause which has been broken. Wow, sir.
So, officer, in short, why is he not allowed to be here?
You can't start interviewing me.
No, we're not interviewing, we're asking you.
Last we checked, he was Zambian.
He's a Zambian, he's allowed to move.
Zambian.
You tell us why he's not allowed
Yeah,
to be
because
here.
he's Zambian. What other reasons do you want to?
You tell us why he's not allowed to be here. He's a Zambian. From the
Sir,
last time I checked.
The bishop, I think, with due respect, please, he is not allowed to be here.
Why?
Who is not allowed?
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay, you're not supposed to be. To have a
Why?
meeting here
Why?
in this office.
No,
So the
there's
big
no
question
meeting.
is
There's
why?
no
Have a
meeting.
meeting from
There's no meeting. It's not meeting here.
This is the Ketas
Okay,
School.
where is the agenda for the same meeting? Where is the agenda for the same meeting? Because any meeting has got an agenda. I'm sure the bishop was going to read to start with a prayer, then maybe national anthem.
A simple
the agenda of the
question,
meeting.
Inspector.
haven't
Inspector.
even
A simple
prayed
a simple question is why is he not allowed to be here? That's a simple question. Why is he not allowed to be here?
And it's not a meeting.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the bishop.
I'm-
It's not you. You are busy. You are.
I'm working.
Yes, you are working.
Your worship, please permit me to ask him a question. Officer, I'm a journalist.
That's why I'm saying that I'm not here to be
No, you
interviewed.
came
I'm just
in private.
here to involve.
You came in someone's office, so we are here to ask you questions.
That's why I called him secretly to say that we talk.
No, but you
But he
pushed
told
yourself
you
in.
that he was in a
pushed
meeting.
Officer,
He'll see you
stormed
later.
the office. You stormed someone's office.
You,
So the question I have.
you opened the door by force.
No one allowed you in.
He just said he's inspector. He didn't say.
Malupande. Wakasanda, Malupande. Mama.
Your Excellency, what does it mean with all this happening?
Remember, I said Zambia has become a police state. And if we don't get the police to do the right thing and obey the law and
That's what happens.
rude and rule of law, we have this kind of thing. Impunity. This can't be allowed.
They're bringing another one, another office.
To come and do what? It's impunity, and Zambians can't allow this. You see, he can't explain himself within the administrative law of the police and within the law of the land. I'm not allowed to be here. He hasn't told you why I'm not allowed to be here. And he hasn't told you why I should have reported to anyone that I'm here to see the bishop.
They used to
And-
visit also, no?
And you know, unless Zambians wake up, we are in trouble, mining in trouble. As we get closer to 2026, when these people see that their hold on power is indeed failing, they will do all sorts of drastic things with impunity. Look, how do you storm into somebody's office in that manner?
This is the bishop's office.
Of all people, the bishop.
If you can't respect the church.
So we run to the church when we're in trouble. And here we are in trouble, run to the church, but now they want to smoke me out of the church. What happens next?
It's surprising. I mean,
It's surprising.
never seen
Your
anything
Grace,
like this before.
your comment over the happenings right in your office where the police officers have decided to storm in your office.
It's just a sad reality. I mean, for me, it's something that that I wouldn't like to see in our country. No, we are free people, we are a free nation, and this kind of a thing is not a good thing to do. Yeah, for anybody, anyway. We are free people, and people are free to come into this office anytime they want. Just a matter of making a simple appointment. Yeah, and it is for anybody, whether they are politicians or religious people, anybody. It doesn't have to be a Catholic and all. No, anybody. This is an office for each and every person. There's no problem at all. So to see this, I begin to wonder what what's happening in our nation. If this is how we are going to handle one another, it doesn't make any sense. Yeah, but we just have to pray anyway. We pray for our country, make sure that we maintain peace. We're a peaceful nation. Yeah. So even when the office was talking about security, for me it says something that is a bit strange, because the environment itself is a peaceful environment. Yes. Yeah.